Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on live captions in Google Chrome. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the menu icon up at the top right corner of the Chrome browser. Just go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to select Accessibility. And then on the right side, underneath accessibility, you want to select live caption. Automatically create captions for English, audio, and video. Audio and captions never leave your device. You can go ahead and just toggle that to the on position. And that's what you have to do. It should begin automatically downloading the caption media required. And that's what you need to do. Pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.